Hello everyone, this is Donner and Lizzy. This is going to be our 5-week update. As of now, we have one blue male and one silver male spot available. A normal spot, or you can do the pick of the litter for silver or blue. That is available, or a normal spot, either one. This is the yellow collar blue male. These guys are really coming to life, and they're already growing fast, and they're eating twice a day, soft and dry food. This is the only blue male we have, Miss Pink, and she is becoming the leader of the pack. This is the pink collar, blue male, beautiful girl. All of these guys are going to some great families that are reserved. They're just fantastic, sweet babies. This is the red collar, silver male, Mr. Red collar. Beautiful babies. We're doing their video inside because it's getting colder outside. We want to keep these babies warm. That's the red collar, silver male. This is one of our females, white collar. White collar, silver female. We will be doing a picking video in about a week. Hopefully we can do it outside with a warmer day. That's the white collar. These guys, basically it's just eat, play, and sleep all the time. This is one of our silver females, lime green, silver female. I'll show you a comparison of the silver female girls, just so you can see them. White is on your left, lime green is on your right. Two silver females, beautiful babies. And then, orange, one of our blue males, orange collar. Orange collar, blue male. And then our other blue male, yellow here. Yellow is on your left and orange is on your right. We woke these guys up. They were taking a good nap. So everybody's still kind of crashed out. But that's the yellow and the orange. Blue males. There's 2 blue males and 3 silver males in this litter. And the other silver male is right here, Mr. Brown. Brown collar, silver male. Sweet babies. Then we gotta get the green's back here asleep. One of our other silver males, green collar. That's the green collar silver male. We woke him up. A couple of the silver males here. Red is on your left, green is on your right. Beautiful babies. Of course, we got Mr. Brown right there. Our 3 silver males, brown, red, and green. But like I said, we'll be doing the picking video next weekend, and then they'll go home beginning Wednesday the 21st through Friday the 23rd. The sweet babies. We have 2 spots available. Blue male and a silver male spot are available. If you'd like to have the pick of either, that spot's available, or just a normal spot is fine too. But these guys will be ready right at Christmas. We've had lots of interest, and they're sweet natured. Lizzy is a super calm mother, and Donner is very outgoing, and so it makes a great combination, and just super smart, sweet babies. But this is going to be our 5-week update for Donner and Lizzy.